Come right down.
How do you?
You like Udara? You like Udara?
I don't know. I don't think I've ever eaten it.
That's the that I watched that we licked it that you said I have gum.
Oh yes, yes, I like it.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. This is the tree. This is the Udara tree.
This Udara tree.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Udara tree. That Udara tree.
You used to get it by this time. This period of December to January to stop.
Okay.
That's the period. That's the season for it.
Merry Christmas. And of course, just 2 days for the Christmas. Make I let you know, say these are Flow 94.9 FM. Go and get a flow of God's own space. Make I let you know, say they call gift now. Because the data for the inside the birthday first segment is on the correct segment inside the show. But make I let you just a few minutes wait time for Sunday Jollof Party Mix. From now to 5 o'clock, non-stop measurements. Exercise your waist, spirit, soul, body, and spinal cord. I made you open my gifts. Of course, 12 numbers and this particular network will be sending this belief since a few days now. Hope say get to video transaction finish.
This is the beginning of the squad.
Don't you know about this road?
But I don't know about
So they didn't start this bypass.
Hospital we're going to Karambwa.
Is when they're coming?
Yeah, it's gone.
Umuahia to Accra is actually very close.
About 30 minutes.
It's not even up to 30 minutes. I'm going
Those are about 25 minutes.
So Umuahia to, our place is not even up to 25 miles.
Oh, no, you might have a long one.
Yeah.
Oh, then there is Baba with the problem. I can go more like I mean.
But I can connect the third road to Omobila.
Yes, not going to get to me.
You couldn't get it by.
Yes, not going to get it.
Yeah. So yes, in Nonya will not have a problem. And other than him, the one that goes through our house.
Yes, I mean, one day I'm going to have me with my government follow up. No, go like towards Ozara. Of course, Ozara.
All they need to do, all this on the road, they need to install it, there, so that to slow down the cars. Okay. Before they will kill somebody here.
Speed breaker.
Yeah.
But we couldn't handle like this now.
They don't really, use the breakers. So he also Sakat. Okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
What's the bridge like I jump through Polo.
Very good.
That was maybe more the saga.
Okay.
And then I give it a bypass.
I'm not how we chill it. I was going to Jabo, we're going to December.
Oh, city can work.
City.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm not dead one. Can be playing city.
City, I will see. Oh, memory. That is.
If you remember is fine too. Nobody, if I was able to play the thing now. I can play the, or for 8 years,
Now, okay, I'll get tea like that. I got I'm music. Get used to go.
There's a place you can connect the, USB. 4 USB in it. Yeah, you don't get the close. They don't use it very much again because of Bluetooth, with Bluetooth you can use Oh, here, over there. It's not that big.
Very far.
So it's all this is Sukwato now. This is, remember, that is what I told you, there are 3 of them, right?
Have you made it? Have Ogudasa.
Imenyi, Ogudasa, and then Iswa Amao.
That makes it Sukwato. Sukwato, 3 big years.
What's the level Magina?
Oh, vim.
Okay, yes.
But then I keep Sana reka sanga. Ana refill gas this sanga. Cylinder. It was Ovim.
Okay.
Ovim.
Yeah, this is Ovim. Because in Imenyi, they have Ovim, they have Ovim and Ahaba. So we passed Ahaba, so we are entering Ovim now.
These are all villages that makes up this square.
It's messed up. So you're gonna show Josephine the road to your school, right?
Okay.
To your high school.
Yeah.
Your secondary school.
We are going to pass Army Barrack. Army soldiers. They are barrack. Army, yes, Army police. I don't know if you see that place.
That's actually the last time this road was very good.
All last time, when you're on train, but I am able to do this kind of all the part more than this.
So, which one is the one that goes to your school?
No, I'm not reached there. This one. This road is Army Barrack.
Yeah, okay. This is
Army Barrack.
Nigerian Army.
Nigerian Army.
Oh, okay.
To my shop.
Oh, the barracks.
This one is technical secondary school. It's boys and girls. Yeah.
Are you sleeping?
Hello, Machi.
She's not sleeping.
What is she doing?
Why is he not talking? So they took your auntie, your sister away from you. Because you always come there and then you're watching her and doing everything. What did they do here again?
Plaza.
I read my mind all that thing.
Oh, okay.
You know, here is the stores.
Oh, game stores.
I read my mind, church, Kapanga.
Yeah, they have in lot of people stay home.
Okay.
Yeah, on the road here is mostly like the businesses, small businesses.
It's not church.
This is a feast house. That's what.
Okay. So a road to your school
Yeah, in front. The road to my school is in front.
Yeah, Methodist.
Methodist Girls Model Secondary School. Yeah. Inside, you look at that place. You see that hill?
Yes.
Yeah, that's my school.
Okay.
Yeah.
a high school.
Yeah.
I mean secondary school, that's what they call it, the high school.
There's flyover.
Yeah.
There's way under here.
Before the train used to run from Port Harcourt
Going down.
to Enugu. So it goes underground here. But since after the war, the train line has been closed. So they've not fixed it.
That time you enter from here to Umahia and train the collect 15 years. 100 years per year. So it's Omar's son.
It's another village. Yes, another village. Also.
Yeah, here is Omar's
Omar's
one.
son.
When they go there, only yeah. No, one year one lives in Nigeria. So it was like this is another village, Amaba.
Okay.
This is another village. Amahaba.
So this is Singapore local government headquarters. Yeah.
That's good. That's good here.
Okay.
There used to be boys, but there is boys and girls. Because they don't use the. You're just approaching our village now. You understand?
It's an Amao. Remember I told you there are three of them. This side is the Amao.
Okay.
What's the building on this house?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Because there's only going near Young.
Yeah, seriously, yeah. Yeah. So the road here they are fixing. They're still working on this side. They didn't get to this side yet.
Okay.
So they work on Sundays too.
Pick up the road before they Just like this. Once I go line like just go to go and the one. Just stop.
Usually touch this side.
You got that new campus. Where's the last time? I'm gonna change it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's very packing water. There's in gas. For Jim Chinabo, just a gym.
So this is where the data has stopped so far. So they're still walking on the other side. You know, one old John God.
John,
All there. Where's the upstairs now? This is the upstairs.
He's in it.
Okay. We're gonna need to do something. This is our house here.
Okay.
So we're gonna need to do, they should have covered, more of the. Yeah.
The
guy called the get man, what is it?
6.3. Oh my, I know not Maria. I can never buy Mario, we can have given every time Mario, we buy now. Every time Mario, we gave
Can you decide how to install the solar, the solar panels?
Amarati.
That's it.
I'm ready to go to church.
I'm nearly getting to get it.
So they need to actually fill it all the way, so that we'll be able to enter. How much I got that? Yeah, but for now, I need the cover so that we'll be able to enter. That will not stop them from the gutter. When they're doing the gutter, they can open it again. Because how are we going to get in now?
Oh my! I can't come this again already. I'm not checking my daddy or Ramma.
Because all this, what they're using to walk now is blocking the.
No.
Yeah. I want to move to, Okay. So the guy is not there.
The police number.
The police are not there. How come? Alimulo Kahana.
One of the said. I'm not in that now.
Okay, how you doing? Thank you.
Okay. Zeros.
I come to the village.
Aww.
Our village is cool like my hair. Sorry. Not to keep this thing off the back. Then go get other things.
Yeah. I'm gonna have this.
Okay. No.
Everything's locked.
Have to go and get the key.
Village.
Okay. Good evening. Thank you. Oh, yeah. Hello.
Okay, I do that here.
Yeah. Thank you. So this is where Aunt Helen's going to be?
Yeah, she's going to be here.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Nice to meet you. I don't know who's this.
She's this grandchild. One of the grandchildren.
Oh, okay. Nice to meet you as well.
Yeah. One of the grandchildren.
Hello. Nice to meet you.
There are many of them. Come, let me show you.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Okay.
Oloma.
Hello.
Grandma said,
This is another.
the grandchild. I'm the first grandchild. The first grandchild.
Okay, nice to meet you. What's your name?
Oloma.
Oloma.
Not Oloma. Oloma.
Oloma.
Beautiful house. Beautiful house.
Okay.
That's the meaning of
That's
Oloma.
pretty.
That's the meaning of the name Oloma. Beautiful house.
Okay.
So
like
watch around. I'm around.
Okay.
I'll show you around.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome to Nigeria. Enjoy it.
Thank you.
So let me also take you to where the children are. Okay, so come this way.
Okay.
Okay, you got your cotton, no? Katie here. So that's the husband. The Uloma I showed you.
Okay.
Yeah, my brother.
Okay.
Yes. Welcome, Thank you. Thank you.
All right.
Okay. This is the sister to the Uloma side.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay,
Mom, yeah.
Hey, yo, Chai.
Oh, yeah, Mama.
Thank you. Hey, yo, Chai, welcome.
Thank you.
Bless you.
Thank you.
I love you.
Thank you. I
Yes.
like your dress. It's really pretty. I like it.
Thank you.
So that's Uloma's children. This one. This one.
Okay.
Oh, no, she didn't see them. Mom, they've already gone.
Come.
I don't know if you that stuff or not.
Your mosquito stuff. I don't have any on me. Wait, let me look in Peace bag. I think she put in her bag.
Okay, the other ones I tie it down and ask them to put it in.
Okay.
Okay, so.
Let me show you something again. Okay.
Oh, that's your father's grave too. Okay. Oh, the dog. It bites. The dog bites.
But it's on chair.
It's on chain. No, you can't come out.
You want to pass through there?
I just want to go by the
Okay,
grave.
your grandpa's grave. You see?
How far
No,
can
the
he
dog
come?
cannot go in. So
Okay.
that's the place we are going.
Oh my God.
It's on chair. You can't go in.
What's that now, yeah?
All these ones.
Oh, okay.
House is it?
Oh, this family member, different family.
Yeah, different
Okay.
families.
Oh, wow.
Different families.
Oh,
Many
wow.
of them are not around, but different houses, families. So this is your saying here. If you right inside, some people are living see right inside. People are still living there. Down.
Oh, wow. Wow.
I didn't be cutting. That's what. Okay, you want to go to that chapel? Let you for more. One day, maybe it has been sealed somewhere. Somewhere it has been sealed. It should be somewhere too.
So she's buried somewhere here.
Yeah, somewhere here, but I don't know the place.
Okay.
Okay, you want to chocolate money? Okay. But every time you go around, they somehow remove what you see. No, even there where the extreme east and all those things.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. This is nice.
So, okay, let me know. In a making.
So, yeah, it's our village.
I like it. It's nice.
Their father's old house.
Okay. Okay.
So the way they connected to the
Okay.
This was constructed just last 3 months ago.
Oh, for the water.
The water tank.
With the new, what do y'all call it? Boat hole? What do they call it?
Boreholes outside.
But the borehole is the well is out here.
Okay.
The tanks water to the.
Tank them, we use it inside.
Okay.
The name only no. But Monday was moving too fast. I was just saying the motor. Yes. No soldier, I call on But you ever bring her back now? It's not
And this one is connected to this.
Yes.
It's one big. Okay. And this is all of this.
This is the old house.
Okay.
This is the old house. So this is where your grandpa used to live. Oh, this one.
This one.
Yes.
Yeah, that's his.
And the 2 rooms.
Grandpa is actually he lives in front of the house. Did you show how the grave is?
Yes, I saw it.
Okay.
There's a dog over there.
Oh, the dog is over there.
He's tied up over there.
Okay.
Whose dog?
That's the dog.
Whose dog? Ngozi.
Blessing, Ngozi.
Oh, okay. Okay.
My junior sister.
Does he bite?
Come back, you know. Come back.
Well, he said, if you're good, you used to dog because I'm
It
not crazy about
depends.
dogs.
Some dogs will bite if they don't know you.
Yes, he said that this police when they made friends with him. With the dog, yeah.
Okay. So where's the 2 rooms that Helen built? The 2 rooms that Helen built. On Helen, she built 2 rooms.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this here, this one. Okay, okay. So that's addition.
Addition.
Okay.
Yeah, so this one, we need to put a rail here. Yeah. The first one had 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we need a railing. Need a rail too. Okay. This is the addition that the sister added too.
Okay.
Yeah. Although she added all these other ones in front a long time ago.
Okay.
And then she just added this one here. Oh, well, this, there's this, oh, they left this one open. No wonder. Because we're trying to,
Keep it cool.
yeah, we're going to try to turn off, this air conditioner when it gets, because right now it's on solar.
Oh, okay.
Yes, we don't want to drain the solar that much for tonight.
Okay.
So it's going to be able to charge it back here and there. So it looks better now. When we walked in, it was so dusty. It looks better. So the dust from this construction they are doing is
yeah.
because they have a mosquito net. It has a mosquito net, but it doesn't protect, because it's still
Yeah, the
kind of
dust.
open. It doesn't stop the dust from coming in.
Yeah.
It's only stop, protected from mosquito. So there should be another toilet here.
A bathroom. A toilet.
Yeah, just toilet. What is it? Oh, what is it? Did I miss?
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. How old are you?
32.
Who?
32.
32. I'm older than you. You're my uncle, but I'm older than you.
I'm the oldest.
How old are you?
30.
30. Okay. You said you're 32. I'm 42.
42.
Yes. You see? He's 32, I'm 42. And that's my uncle, but I'm 10 years older than him.
Yeah.
Wow, we feel sit nice.
Okay. That's nice.
That's my bathroom. But this is another room when the Victor comes down. The family stays here. But tell you that he was like him gone. That box.
Which box? After I have to more peace. I just see this in now more peace.
Okay.
Never that can degree me.
He share come again, but there's the bathroom.
Okay.
This particular room is where my mother was buried.
Your mother?
Here. Yeah, right this way.
Okay.
Hello.
Great grand. Oh yeah.
Oh my God.
And we are sleeping here. We are sleeping here. This is another room.
Okay.
This is Victor's shoe.
Okay.
But the other ones will come over here. Victor will stay here with his father. The wife will stay here with the kids. They are coming. They were coming.
Okay.
You were?
Yeah.
How come I am from like this all the Sunday?
Nhưng mà do là cô có thể đi là một cái là cái mà biết mà đúng không?
I know. I know. Nó lấy ra quan.
Okay, I'm here.
This is more room.
This one.
Okay. Okay. Good afternoon. Thank you. So they cook here.
Yes, we cook here.
Okay. You like what you see? I do.
I'll be going, yeah? I'll come back by Sunday next week.
Okay.
Then we can drop my mom.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sunday.
Yeah. Sunday. Yeah,
What day is that? Like 31st.
I know, we'll see again.
Okay.
Take care.
Thank you.
All right.
I told them you guys will be going before me. I'm staying here with them
Yes.
in another 2 weeks.
Yes.
But next time we are coming, we have to plan it to stay 1 month.
Yes.
Not this one.
Yes.
Now, this was our old living room before your daddy made the house.
Oh, okay.
This was our old real living room.
Wow.
When they come home, they sleep in this other room. They sleep in this room. That's where they used to stay. When your daddy come home, Chi, Obi, and these people, they used to stay here. It was all rooms throughout. When they got there before, it was all rooms. Here was backyard. I just asked them to make something more. Because here, according to our tradition, they say Ada doesn't live in the front house.
Ada cannot live in the front
The
house.
first daughter.
She can't live in the front house.
No.
Why?
And I can't sweep anything they're sweeping.
You can't sweep. You can't clean.
I can clean the room, not outside.
Nice to meet you. Call me. Follow me. You on Facebook?
Yes, I'm in
Follow me on Facebook. My name is Josephine.
Okay, then.
It's the one.
Okay. Ezabir, my last name.
Okay.
It's the one. Daddy! Think that's your title in your WhatsApp. Facebook.
No, it's Josephine. It's my name.
Okay, just
Josephine Ezabir.
This number, I will use it and find you.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, say hello, one in the photo. But there's something you're publishing. Be careful. I mean, this hotel and even this hotel. Be careful.
No problem.
Thank you.
See you again. Thank you.
That will come back before you leave.
Oh, see
But thank you. Bye. Nice to meet you.
All right.
I'll go inside. Let's see your siblings.
I'll give you. It's baby. That's my baby.
Aww.
Yeah.
Yes. You use this for the refrigerator, the freezer.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
This is the old. Go ahead with the old one. Yeah, oh yeah, keep it open. So that the mosquito will not be jumping.
And it's the dining room.
Okay.
I'm watching you cook.
What are you going to eat?
Whatever, I'm gonna eat this.
Oh, with your dad. Okay.
Wait, it says a bone of soup.
Oh, no, yeah.
Yes, that's fine.
Okay. Do you eat ice fish? You know what is ice fish?
No, I never seen it.
You don't eat it?
I don't know what it is.
You've not eaten it before?
Never. I will try it.
I don't know whether you know whether your dad. I'm not. You know, you're not eating it before. I don't know whether you'll be able to eat it.
Me?
And your dad.
Let me ask him. Ice fish.
Yeah, if I add it to the soup.
Okay.
Well, now,
That's why the best to not be like This spider. Spider.
If you liked the video, like, share, and subscribe. And check out our website at ezzyandnwanyi.com.